Fire Gary. Why about our no mammy again? On I said this year no get by what is the water journal? What is the shell? Tagi my never get balo ebegbe. No mammy again. On I said this year no get by Tagi my never get balo ebegbe. Agua here to home. Ọ̀pẹ́ gbé sí náà ni mo yẹ speaker. Ìṣẹ́gun mẹ́rin na gbọ̀ngí tí a lè mẹ́kì yẹn. Ọ̀gbẹ́ kí o tọ́ pù. Onagi seti se no ge bae. Dagi mae. Ne mo ge balo ebegbe. No mami mo ge. Onagi seti se no ge bae Dagi mae. Ne mo ge balo ebegbe. At all. Agwagwa. Osakina. Agikinega. Osakina. Agikinega. No mami moge. Onagi seti se no ge bae Dagi mae. Ene mo oge balo ebegbe. No mami oge. Onagi seti se no ge bae Dagi mae. They gave me a toy. Waya bota o ibia to nu zo mo bia to ne wa ire vi go to no kan wo ko e do na na giu ko ami no rere jo wa ya bota waya bebe nege kai imate oni ni tegun ajeme na bete doja pita wo bi e wo gari obi e wo da nwa egwe ogwe uma ko gba na do no manoro bete wo ye gwa te mo ka gba ne do ase ne na la nema anaga kwiko na kenja ri ado wara na kenja si ologo ma je do egwa ogidi gati ebo ni yi our egwa ready first o magwe aga kenzi o ne do aja ma ra ne mi aja ma be do ono ja ma no tu kotu dio ya ti wa ge misquote emeneri mata okay pahari agwa bia oni gwa ka huna oteme my loving brother Enogi oni giunagi imate oni gwa yevena because metebe ho go phone be give me a vana be live video na this thing matter never see finish okay see so mafo me abe gwa yo Enogi dame o me kakabo iye wi ga gwa so no wani bu o bet me agugwe gwa emi yo ni tama we na hina owo ko ni wi ma ga egi yin no ya we ne do seri yen my brother egbe mi no sunu dagwe na e city ni me na wa ye gbinu pono hina 2003 o sunu dame e best friend di me okuo mama mi egbe majugbe si na pa mana nwina ebo ni eje e menaji nwina gwana gwa no kebo ni meje Brescia City area the village ni eje o egare mode ma boy ko pabo gwi mere ma area inwina imana be migo ya de ticket go maybe wa be juzi go gbebukini e stage ogwa every week o be are week me boy je ku ma ati ogwi maybe Brescia e beto pa me boy ga abieji ona mi ami hi o ejo gwa jogo be jakwe to se bet wigi ga kwumi ni na we shavi mu de ti jogwa me bo do ya the picture e gani mana e kwumi do ga gani me jam ogi am e jam we shavi na ga me ni am we shavi megi latiane megi ru hospital my best friend ona do mi mo pa bi yore ne me koma ogi de mo kole na wa de do to me be Saturday Igwe ni jeme total jogwa because jeme na ke bega momo ba egume every blessed day because he marry ba here hospital. Bi hiore ne be koma me gi gwa kana because ni ya ubi ye ki baby me ma hiore gia mi amioni up to today agwa asigo me ogwa agba 1000 euro buki ruda asidi ni haje si ehin me gbere up to date je ri hun emi ameni ni contact bi si won ani but my own best friend make me to lose it. Enoge we te story na mana. Then today, nige si eme na tagbe, o se me na ya we test HIV. Ogi we ya ne, ona we kamia mi si mu na we yin eme, okay, ya na boma. Si su we HIV, we gi na le no ko na he. Eh, ye te ti bi me me re bagin o beto mana waka na de na. O ye na gija party. Do fi we ni me we gona. Imaye ho ni me show a name, but ona he every time you feel it na ona gwa pem o wana do kama gwa isu aso ni isu agbele picture iladia ona e kin o ma je ge orize lukudeti ona amo bia ke Nigeria do pa no mo mama na mare be Nigeria mo ade webu ona mi e kata na gia frustration eh yes my best friend no mo ni ne o hi me ni na leken ugbeso na ma gba lepu mama because me be to sikeria ni eje ke me na do what me ni megi muna the same road you know mi egi meri ekepu moto ta udao because ekwe gbe eri mu ege me na mo ne eto ni si me ivulo yo vulo re me gwa le be me ada yet but okwo na again na waka na again ye isi egbe because it's going to 50 years o ma mi odo ekwe o so go ma no bie ne gbe 7 o se me na ye ma say we make sexy gun there or sexy jigs. I have never seen her. Divye Brescia give me ya man ka be 2000 stroke or se ma wakin. Beni ma iku se boyfriend de gi luzo gwa be pad over. Ina we no do stay ke me gwa. Ma what for gba lo ye be dokpa. Ada for men ne kwara wagwe no pa not afraid. O men no kwara wagwe the same church ma jo ko be no ri. O ma mi HIV one day. Ada for e lo ye be yana me lo ye be yana wo gwa. Nye ke do ba ma. So no get where your message in again. Ben a mori condemn maman se. Oh man, igwana iya na seti ba manore e koma ne doctor bona do yo si jinye egbere. Iya na seti deti begele kwa me miame no keke na bo si me amule le bokia. For example, ben o taje o si ugbe to keke don gwe enwe. Beti ana twele lo ebo ya beto te na mi be this. Megi la dia hospital. E pasi be ige be ni mabobo kokwo ni kuwe no ya leme. Ona ha mame we o so ogbon me ke sun azena o. But I thank God, my friends still remain with me. Your passion damn way. And even that be on. I say that I was so good as well. A favor me no get where you give una gina. So what that me hug make am when you pa na only Benin people. Benin people, not be Nigeria, Benin people. Na only una hand HIV, not be they keep us today. Na only una hand. South Africa, we develop that sickness. We get the highest for the whole world during that time. I don't know who can get her now. South Africa today, now South Africa men, they kill our men, say that they collect their woman from them. They don't feel the friend again. That South Africa, now people see they marry them, they born. So I beg, Benin people, mostly Benin people, more na open na sickness we pass HIV day now. Cancer not even get cure at all. Cancer not even get suppression. If you don't get it, just if you enter this your hand, this finger like this, if you not quick cut them, now it go kill you. If you enter your leg, if you not cut that leg, now it go kill you. But HIV not there like that now. So far the tablet when they give you, not saying that that Alicia don't they eat the medicine for the good 19 years. But that woman, if you not talk, you not gonna say get her. So waiting come you now, Benin people. Live video presenters. This one go just come, go do test. The other one, go do test. Go to now. Did you hold there any explanation? You know, I don't understand you. Well, when anybody go your live video, anybody go. Are you okay? Stay away from all these idiots and face your life. First day life you wear. When no go on, you ma go Monica go on. Leva se ba gwe magi go do gwe magi soto e Monica go da for ye reje. Omo no ro gwodo. Dege no ya mi egbe ya mi oma. Omo me ha no koko mo ye mose na mi 2000 no mu no bia do ya we ya. E Monica no ba mi o ja tota je e ke no na no bia na sele wivon no hie no ya gba oge mo. Omo mi ya do business o ka de ticket bu pe ari e bu be ja mu go no do ya lo ye ke. O B&P no re island. No vie mo rien no se de wivon vie live video kien ke ka bo ike ya. O ki ami ga no a je Germany. They could not even do kube ogo bi jederio. Oh na me ga no ya re do awe e ki abi ma. He o salo bo me lao. If you mama with the Jews I say no gay. You don't have any explanation to give anybody. Don't do any test. Anybody on la live video. Let them both go to her and both to actions. Excuse me, eh? Challenge anybody. Let them say what they want to say. Let them say what they want to say. Everything is jealousy. Even the other woman, wanna leave all these people alone. Please. What did they worry now? Mostly our Benin people. Get this test. Do wait the same person go do test. Hey, but why? Why our people they day like this? Why me come and talk? Because this thing don't first happen to me. I don't know anybody explanation. If you want to go to where and taking treatment, go there, go and ask them which kind of sickness Lindara was they sick. They go suffer pull hand cup for your hand there now. They'll ask you now your sister, you well no. Wait till you being afraid. They'll don't call police for you and cop you. That is Italy for you. You cannot go and check another person's sickness in the hospital. Where that when me man sign. Agwakwa. Eh? Anybody, another like that for not come out this afternoon. Since say you come out, they talk, they explain yourself, they do this. Why? Don't do all those things again. Forget them. You too big past all those nonsense. You too big past all those nonsense, my dear. If he like make all presenter come out, see all those nyama boys see. If they let me, they come and say, no, okay, come out. My brother, if you have topic, come out and do your topic and go inside. Don't even look their useless comments. Because if you see anybody who they comment anyhow, you go know say all those people, they are frustrated human being. Now this live video, what would they do? Now we take they comfort them. They don't frustrate finish. Now this is what you know they call that thing when depression. Now they worry many of them. Yes, a normal person like me, are they sick? Yes, all of us they sick. I know anybody will say your day life, you know get sickness now. If you not get today, tomorrow you go come with my brother or my sister. He go come. Headache na sickness. Na sickness, eh? You get some headache where they come, not they finish. You go, yes, say, oh, I fear na wafian your work bed. You never see him. I fear na wafian, the hospital, or was hospital, or wabu. And so, I was so vana wafian, that's what more. I wabu. If you will maybe read the ministry, your way shave your mom, the hospital, send a fear an agbe. Me maybe the doctor going to wipe it away, or man, a fear shave your mom. Omane bolokokia eshaviomu. Omane kologo eshavio. Ibie domoku na open na. Not too much for na beg. Maybe they respect ourselves. Wanna leave a logie alone when no gay at wa. She can't rubbish be that one. I know they support anybody. But that this kind of thing, if he come out, make una they call each other, they settle around. To come they enter live video, they say, and I said that one do that day. He got to when they tell us say he get this one, he got to do test. He can't share everybody. Me, yeah boy, can't show you my test. But what you know? You be my mother. I go on boy. Now let my mother see my test. I know my test is there with her. Now let my mother nobody else. You dey crazy? If I sit there today, I sit right there for hospital there. If I come that hospital, I die for there. Not tell anybody where to kill me. Only my daughter, if you come for Nigeria, and my mother, bastard. Don't tell anybody. Because my death does not have anything to do with anybody. If you like me, come to my funeral. If you not like, go to hell. We go still see ourselves when we get to that place. Yes, that is the truth of the matter. And no, you don't mind and all these foolish people. Don't ever come out and defend yourself or say anything about who they craze, or who they man, or who not where, or who get HIV. You don't have HIV and you will never get it in Jesus' name. It's a sickness. HIV is a sickness now. Not be me and you give her a name. Fever. He get name. You don't ever see where God creates all of us. All this sickness, he can't give all of the name. No. Now we ourselves, they give our name. Excuse me, eh? He forward to me. Now, January, wama gefo. No, why we are supposed to 2 weeks now. Wama he webo. Wagani anya, wagasi ekia por, wagasi ekia. No, ma give me a topic you or one latia. No latia with YouTube latia. No latia with not latia. Eri me HIV. He should go and do test for what now? Now una be papa be una mama. What be this? Hello, ma. Hello, mama. What go you now? Okay, Ju. Go on, mo speaker name, ma.
Good evening, my people. But what mama dey talk, so I want just contribute something very important. Everybody will do this abroad, so all of us will do this abroad. If we as Nigeria, if we day today, we don't know say nobody will get any sickness apart from the person, not be your mama, not be your papa, not be the person where you born, not be your husband. Doctor not go ever refuse to anybody.
I just started. Hey.
You anybody no go refuse. So how na no got to think that one say this thing get level that our sister maybe now because if they no get the quarrel and they can wish talk am. So now that the lady who was talk and say because they no get talk and say he no when then he go do test he still talk am for a no get body now. No tell me where they never wear it.
Eh. No nyave ri ekpugbo.
Let's assume you say they no they truly the sick get HIV for example. So una go just happy make that HIV just keep healing.
Yes, sit there.
Yes, HIV never die finish. Now when they use that they laugh them, one kid before their court of law, you people should believe it or not. For example, now my enemy get HIV, you have to laugh me. I have to write to show you for it. I will pay for it because the sickness never kill me. You want to kill me, but
yes.
To laugh me every time, so that I will go and commit suicide and kill myself before the sickness kill me.
Yes.
Why? Why if you say you get proof of it? Why?
When you do mere. Imani. Yes. Monica, mama, Monica, Guadini, I have a rubbish tea, Nana. Dagay. Oh. Yes.
Who want that when we would have been in boots? Now make they pray one prayer as I did alive. I just celebrate. Be you my friend or my sister or my enemy. I not see you. Maybe follow me celebrate. If I die, you write recipe for my picture. Now that recipe you go edit for your generation because I'm not saying. I'm not saying.
Yes, so.
But the person die, when I go to favor where? The person do birthday, when I not go celebrate.
Ah, wow. Yeah, what?
Everybody make we move on. Different topic day. All those one when they put their papers now, no affairs go now.
Eh. Me agwa kan ni ban ni maka wa finish on na.
When I come from Nigeria, I let my baby go Nigeria. That time my baby still dey Spain, he go school. So along the night, he come get malaria, come carry am go hospital. After I finish everything, when me come reach Belgium, I come see the sick, I come get malaria. All testing, I Belgium for treat myself. So after everything, when I go Spain, I still get doctor for Spain. So I carry all my reports here. All the tests, every test we I come do and nothing, I come go give my doctor. He come do, I come still do another test. For me again, make you look at because if you get malaria, you can't get what they call anemia, which is your blood, what your white blood cells, it go low.
Yes.
So you need medication to suppress it again. So you have made your blood, blood tablets.
If they drop fever, they drop blood now.
Medicine so that you will recover yourself again.
Yes.
I don't take my blood test. You do the blood test again for Spain. When I know what happen, the woman called me so okay, if my result come out. Who you want give? Now I call tell her say no problem. You come forget self, I can't go. Then one day I call the father of my children say, I beg, but some of us get one family doctor. Let me go take that my doctor hand. Make I look at whether anemia medicine will give. Make I stop her because he tell me say if I do her, if my anemia don't balance, I will stop the medication. If it not dey balance, I will just chop the whole packet. Finish. Where the father of my children go meet the doctor now. The doctor say make sorry. He said no go.
They not they give.
Oh. That one tell us, people can call you. You know, say that the mother of my children. You know, so he said no. He said better no instructor make you give her that test. He no go give her.
Okay.
Now come tell us, okay, make you give food to that woman. Now come tell us, say now me. Now he tell us, say make you give her. He just say you know whether another person dey talk. He say sorry. He no go give her.
Okay.
Say, but if now me the medication make her not take time again. My name I don't dey okay. But that test where I do. Say no go give her anytime where I come.
You can't collect some. Yes.
You understand me? Doctors will say, no mama
Go and do test. Maybe I will test him if you're good. I'm done. Where Muziane was it when Mama not like the other program in there? Naga me have any come my bar. Come my bar. Yeah, boy, they will say, yeah, boy, with the fox small boys. Yeah. Family made the share for them. Make they take control, they chop at the deal for their family.
But the time I can't come up, we are can't be special yet. Now I can't say, hey, now true. Even like the area me baba, a market they were put on my way, and they were in war. They were in HIV. I don't. People will get HIV this time. Now they will pass. They make order for body. Hey, we packet the pattern say, we are. They were name more.
Hey. Yes. Hey, Fahi. If you when the fever mo HIV VG. I'll just start out. Kakaba. I'm not fever. I'm not cancer because no baby cancer they last Ebola 21 days. Oguyane. Ah, where do I don't pay me and no maybe God forbid to it was here. EJ boy na go HIV. And then we aware a program of Pama. Now o ma make mojonia. Or we EJ boy we get HIV. And I was no ga tell them maybe pressure or be committee ni because they follow agijore yan. I know what mojo. Yerinya.
So if you know say you not take duty, my brother, see all by my home, move on with your life.
Just say ya.
The more you are talking about this matter every day, the more you talk about this matter every day, the more you are killing yourself, stressing yourself, killing yourself slowly. So don't forget and move on with your life. A girlfriend who can cut the carrot when you did not see it. A girlfriend will make an away on it. You give them a good HIV. Then we get so bad. I don't understand what I'm telling. Where okay, Mama, I hope a message all I hope we don't get no put it.
Yes.
No, we here where yes, I feel with the Puya. Here I tell for the winter, no care, I will below. Here I do.
With your what's it?
To the rest people will not make one and they join. Wait, no reply. Now go, let's not give them more wisdom.
Yes, oh, yes.
Also, reply.
Yes. Yes, where can I get you, meme? Yes. Me gare, oje be negifo. Nyoje wese. Beni meje na doja pita we no fi o makwa mama so my we no seri o manye. Ami ono la bata jo gbe Facebook ye je be na ge ibata na ya line o mortuary. Eni o ki ado atami me ni me awe test. Yeah, makeup o pari e di o pari o bono pa ti me gwa be makeup o. Eni o ki aka mi me ni me ma mi pagbon be gbe edie. Eni o ka do ka mi me ni je boy. We are ni me awe test that person. Ita ma egwe ogun asan gun vanori yoko gba iko e. Ika ma egwa je la iko e. Ika ma egwe de no poko. Ba la mejo eko. Ika ma egwu won a ne bonoru sen. O ke anwa mejo eko. Then it will come egwe ije no ma. O ke asobo we hwe. O ga ikiro ni jo no ma la won yo wani ya hwere. Erizibo. Ezete ijo akoli we Nigeria go bi me da we tesi oni me tesi wo me keni viori na gbon ana mawe abe unfrustrated elements any odo atitabe every day yan mamo ya program yo bobe dia go and do test let us show us do this one we gba gele gba be la dia gun my brother ogwe raya no raya no ri ma bo ha atolo be ya no ri ma bo ha atolo my brother la gogo bufian buf sambe ye gberi bae be o mo gbe ti awa gbe mami mi u ye gba la video wa ri obo kan gba afi ekun mo bi jeke igwa gbe ora efe yan tan mi na jo egbe fe ya ta lokere eko ewe o gba yan mo kan o gba ri obo kan obi ere o wa vivi ele gagbo wa ogwa alala yan ogwa awege kun eni be ne po na were no ge ga don do arun tabi abe mane gbogbe ne do atalo la gbogbo noge egbe ni wata yo bakuta na wese ibude na osekenuje ma oni tie we anytime we only taju nu agbo ya fe stay away from all those people, leave them alone. See again go me la yan gbe wa gbon wo me mi ame ropa no salo ba be ge me so bo we agbon ya mo ta gbon na ma ya me mi ame mi ame ya warugbo egbe fe oga ladian e una hu mi ru da do ya pito we no kawu o atita no ge kaladian o mu mi ame ama bi marokpa bi mi ame beta ga isagbon na ne mi ame we ami ame so obi o ka pari amuje bi na na pa ge aproko vie gbe mo bi o kan kere mi ame no paru obi o kan ni awopa very fine boy abege you know my 6 years old iga avie ora e chef obi o kan ni mu ba so gbe ako ari kun ne ba mi ro pa be we o pa be won la jo pa be won do pa be biele fura furi so abeg enoge don't mind all those bastardo erita lo ti be do bebo erita lo eminate bastardo abe mo ne me rameje ni ne me home training stay away from them and focus on what you are doing enoge why am keju to be when one load e wejo Ogibe ukibe gba wa keju ti bi when 50 euro aberi no buke agba is sometimes we ya carry phone iwe. So don't mind all these foolish people that ni the viewers. Ni me opportunity ya ki YouTube ba ma egbe na subscribe say 1000. So eya can say anything they like in their YouTube channel, in their Facebook, in anything. So bros, si an enuge agbe do wa gbe no ri agbe won ko baba Omawa Echo, love you. Kamia we editor lota wa fankulo. Biono na niya, afankulo.